Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison of SEMrush and SearchAtlas, two popular SEO tools. Whether you're a digital marketer, a small business owner, an SEO freelancer, or you're just diving into the SEO space, this comparison will help you decide which platform best suits your needs in 2025. I'll cover everything from the features, the pricing, the pros and cons, and wrap up with a balanced conclusion. Let's get started. SEMrush is a comprehensive digital marketing platform that's been a staple in the SEO industry for years. It offers a wide array of SEO tools, content marketing tools, competitor analysis tools, PPC, and social media marketing tools. With a massive database of over 21 billion keywords and 43 trillion backlinks, SEMrush provides in-depth insights to help businesses improve their online visibility. Now on to SearchAtlas. SearchAtlas is a newer entrant in the SEO space, positioning itself as an AI-driven platform designed to automate and streamline SEO tasks. Central to its offering is Auto SEO, an AI tool that claims to automate 90% of SEO tasks, from technical audits to content optimization. SearchAtlas aims to deliver faster results by leveraging AI to handle complex SEO processes. Now let us talk about the main features of each of the platforms. First, SEMrush, Keyword Magic Tool. It's probably one of the best in the business. It gives you a ton of keyword suggestions along with metrics like search intent, difficulty, CPC, and SERP features. Domain overview and competitor analysis. You can plug in a competitor's website and instantly get their top performing keywords, traffic sources, and backlink profiles, as well as ad strategies. Technical SEO site audit. You can scan your site for over 140 issues, things like broken links, duplicate content, or slow loading pages, even improper redirects. Backlink analytics and link building tool. You can discover backlink opportunities and evaluate the quality of incoming links. This is great for outreach and cleanup. Content marketing toolkits. There are tools for topic research, writing assistance, optimization, and performance tracking available. Position tracking and local SEO. You can monitor keyword rankings across locations and devices and even track local map pack visibility. Social media poster and tracker. SEMrush even lets you manage social media campaigns and analyze performance. Now on to SearchAtlas, the Auto SEO. It's an AI-powered tool that automates various SEO tasks, including technical audits, content creation, and link building. Content optimization. Tools like the Content Assistant and Content Planner help in creating and optimizing content for better rankings. Technical SEO tools. This includes site auditor and on-page audit tools to identify and fix technical issues. Link building tools. Features like link building software and backlink analyzer assist in developing a strong backlink profile. Local SEO tools. You can manage your Google Business Profile and build citations to enhance local search visibility. Now let's go on to the pricing. For SEMrush, under the SEO toolkit, there are three plans. There's a Pro plan for beginners and individual projects at $139.95 per month. There's the Guru plan for small businesses at $249.95 per month. And there's the Business plan at $499.95 per month. There are other costs associated if you want to explore other toolkits like traffic and market, local SEO, content writing, and social media. How about SearchAtlas? There are three basic plans. There's a starter plan at $99 per month. There's a growth plan at $199 per month at 20% discount. And there is a Pro plan at $399 per month. Now the good thing is they all have a free plan where you can start on to test out the platform. Now what are the pros and cons of using these platforms? We start with SEMrush, the pros. Comprehensive suite of tools covering various aspects of digital marketing are available. Extensive database for keyword and backlink analysis, and regular updates and new feature additions. How about SearchAtlas? AI-driven automation simplifies complex SEO tasks. It focuses on delivering quick results, and they offer tools tailored for both content optimization and technical SEO. How about the cons? For SEMrush, there's a steep learning curve for beginners, and the higher pricing tiers may be expensive for small businesses. For SearchAtlas, being a newer platform, it may lack some of the advanced features that are found in more established tools, and the pricing might be on the really high side. So which tool is the best in 2025? The choice between SEMrush and SearchAtlas largely depends on your specific needs and resources. SEMrush remains a robust, all-in-one platform suitable for businesses seeking comprehensive digital marketing tools. Its extensive database and range of features make it a go-to for many professionals. On the other hand, SearchAtlas offers a fresh approach with its AI-driven automation, aiming to simplify SEO processes and deliver faster results. It's particularly appealing for those looking to leverage AI to handle routine SEO tasks efficiently. Ultimately, if you're looking for a tried and tested platform with a wide array of features, SEMrush is a solid choice. If you prefer a modern, AI-focused tool that emphasizes automation and speed, SearchAtlas might be the better fit. That's it on the review and comparison of SEMrush and SearchAtlas. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Moz, Ubersuggest, and Ahrefs. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.